The MZK A3 Plus XP600 DTF printer is truly worth buying for anyone looking to boost their printing efficiency and quality. If you are curious about the latest price of this DTF printer, you can check it out from the description below. This printer comes with automatic time cleaning for the printhead, which keeps your machine running smoothly without clogs, saving you time and frustration. Its anti-clog ink design and 3-in-1 anti-blocking system ensure that your prints stay consistent and high quality, even during long production runs. One of the standout features is its 2x printing speed compared to the L1800, which means you can print more in less time, up to 180 A3 sheets daily, making it ideal for small businesses or studio setups. The 5-inch LED multifunction display paired with a high-performance motherboard makes operation intuitive. You can check nozzles, clean heads, adjust layouts, and even fill ink with a single touch, all without complicated software. The printer also supports one-click image conversion through user-friendly software, compatible with Windows 7, 10, and 11. The included film cutter and professional starter kit, 5 inks, 100mm DTF film, powder, and tools allow you to start printing immediately. While the printer is heavier than some desktop models at 151 pounds, its robust build ensures durability and long-term reliability. The ICC calibration and variable droplet technology deliver crisp, vivid prints at 2880 by 1440 dpi, perfect for t-shirts, apparel, and other custom products. Overall, the MZK A3 Plus XP600 is a professional-grade DTF printer designed for speed, precision, and hassle-free maintenance. With free ink for 2 years and responsive professional support, it's an investment that can truly elevate your printing business. Don't forget to check the description below for the latest price and more details so you can start producing high-quality prints right away.